Hello. This is Ed Roselle again of Pause Marketing. In this video, I want to show you and demonstrate to you how to build a ClickMagic link for tracking particularly email sales, email traffic. And what I'm going to show you applies to if you're using solo ads or sending broadcasts to your own list. So with that, we'll get started. You already have a ClickMagic account and you log into it, you find something that looks like this page here. It gives you a daily snapshot of where you are for that particular day. But I'm going to go back. We're not going to log into a whole new account, but I'll show you what you have to enter. If you don't have a ClickMagic, you can use one of the links at the end of this video and the descriptions. But basically, you're going to enter your name, email, give them a password, and the defaults. The only other thing you need to worry about is to make sure your time zone is set correctly. The rest of these defaults are fine the way they are for starters. So there you go. So I'm going to go into the link area, which is where you go after you leave that dashboard. And this is where you get your tracking information and where you create new links and so on. So across the top here, we have the traffic count. That's the number of clicks come in, the traffic clicks. Then unique clicks, how many of them are actually unique that it hadn't seen before. The flag clicks. These are flagged clicks that came in that ClickMagic thinks is could be a bot, some kind of bot or some other thing. So they flag those. They're not going to count those, but they may still be active in your whatever your intention was in your tracking. See this A, E, and S columns. A is action, E is engagement, S is for sales. And we're going to show you, if you're going to link this up with a ClickFunnels, a way to utilize at least the A and the E. If you're doing affiliate marketing, unless you're actually doing e-commerce, you probably won't be able to get to any sales information. But it's here if you're doing e-commerce. So we'll show you that. So with that, I want to start just actually building a new link. You create new link here. Here you are. Link group. You can leave that alone. We're going to put that down here where the ID is. But the link name that I'm going to use is, and this time is Flat Valley. Now, they put this as the default URL for ClickMagic. It's ClickMagic in your username. I usually use the back part here as an indicator of what this thing is. So I'm going to just say flat. I can't spell it either. For this, I've already used flat B solo once. So the other use for this column is the source of traffic. But I'm just going to leave this at flat for the moment. Now, the only other thing you need on here is a primary URL. Where do you get that? You go to your funnel, and the entrance to your funnel is right here on the opt-in page. Copy that, paste it in here. Okay, and the rest of it is just fine for starters. Now, there's another thing here, because I had put in a separate domain for my own tracking. If you're going to do Facebook tracking, you're going to need to do this in some way, because ClickMagic doesn't want to be blamed for taking your any of your Facebook ad accounts down. They get upset, particularly at affiliate marketing and anything that they think you're hiding from them or that is a product that they don't like. Sometimes it's legitimate complaints, sometimes it may not be, but they are known to take down accounts very, very easily. So you can use the default when you're starting out, no problem, no problem at all. Uh, we put in the primary URL where this is going. We're let it track whatever it is and create link. Create link. There it is right here. So we just created. Okay. Now, if you are using a funnel and ClickFunnels, and depending on whether you have a one-page funnel or a two-page funnel, uh, we can do some things here to activate this A&E column. You can always activate this action column. And what this is, we're going to put a tracking code in the first page of that funnel to signify when someone actually enters that page. That'll be counted here. See, this number is close to right here, 124, 175. So it's tracking. It actually logged the 424 into the first page of that funnel. All right. And we'll do the same if you have a two-page funnel, or if you have more than just a bridge page, landing page, or whatever you want to call it, opt-in page. You have a pre-sale page, second page, or thank you page. We can do the same thing and mark the people that actually got into that page. And the beauty about that is if they got that far, you know that they actually opted in, because that's the only way they can get to that page unless you send them there directly. So here you go. Here we go. We're going to go under Tools up here where it says Tracking Pixels, Build Pixels, Pixel Builder, and here we are. You see actions, engagements here, and sales. All right, I go to the first click for actions. They've come in. The rest of the defaults are just fine. What you want to do is pick up this image tag here, URL, which is an image source tag. There's the pixel code, and you're going to go into the first page of this funnel. Open it up. Open up the first page. Edit. My computer is running a little slow, but it's okay. Go under tracking code right here. Tracking code. Now this one already has one in, but I'm going to put it in there. And see tracking code, header code. Make sure it's in header, and you just paste it in there. Okay. Paste it in. No big deal. No big deal. I'm going to take the old one out. You can, if you're using other things, you may want to remove everything that's in there. Okay, so that's the A column. That's the A column. And don't forget to save your page after you put that in. Very important. Very, very important. Go back. Okay. Now let's go back over here to the to build the one for engagements right here. I will take the last click for engagements, because we're talking about the second page, so the last thing they did is going to be recorded, which hopefully is going sending them off to the affiliate link or whatever it is you're trying to do from there. Again, copy the pixel code, go back to your funnel, open up the second page, do the same thing. go into the tracking code, tracking area settings, and paste in the what did I do? Forget to copy it? I forgot to copy it probably. Who knows? Let's see. There it is. Don't forget to save the page. That's it. That is absolutely it for setting up your ClickMagic link. So tracking integrated with your funnel and good to go. So all you have to do is drive traffic. You drive the traffic to the link. Where is it? In your drive that you just did. This is the link that you drive your traffic to, right here. If you click the preview button, it will take you to your first page of your funnel. Okay? Very good. So, one other thing before we leave this, if you are an affiliate marketer, you should add ClickMagic to your arsenal into your offerings of what you offer as affiliate. So you go all the way down to the bottom where it says affiliate. And here is the place where you can apply for it. This one's already been applied for, but you basically have to give them your affiliate name and email, or email, whatever, however you want to do it, and exactly what you want to be called, and give it to them, and get it on, and get your, they will give you your link. Here, here's the actual sign up form. Okay, pick up your link, which I did this a long time ago, but it's there. You'll also have to give them some information on how they pay you, whether it's through PayPal or deposit to a bank, or however you want to do it, or send a check. There's one of those options. That's all pretty standard stuff if you're picking up an affiliate link. So with that, that's enough to get you started. And I wish you well, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Thank you very much. Let's start recording again. I want to pick up, since this part didn't actually get recorded the first time, I want to show you exactly where the tracking code goes in your ClickFunnel. So this is the first page of the funnel, and this is the entrance link to the page. If you didn't know where that was, it's there. But to place your tracking code for your A column, you open this first page, come here under settings where it says tracking code, make sure this is on header, and paste your tracking code right in there. Okay, that's how easy it is. And don't forget to save the page. Very important. So thank you very much. You do the same thing with the engagement code on the second page if you have a 2-page funnel. Same exact thing. Open up the second page and go into the settings, tracking code, paste it in the heading. Thank you very much. So how was that? Good, I hope. And if you like this video, just go ahead and click a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you need a copy of ClickMagic to work with, you can use the link that's at the end of this, under this video. So thank you, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you.